Jack, welcome in. Mary Ellen here with the Hiberno English word of the day. The L word is lawn, and I've heard it used with like a lawn belly, full in the belly. Are you feeling a bit lawn? Are you feeling a bit lawn? And lawn means full. Full. Now again, this is a Gaelic word, lawn, it literally directly translates in Irish as full. However, I've heard this used many times, passing comments, there is also an Irish phrase, lawn go dours, which means full to the door. So the place was packed out. So sometimes if you went down to the pub and you'd say, was there anyone there? Oh yeah, it was full, it was full. Have you ever heard this word? Do let me know in the comments below. I love hearing if these words are widespread, either in different parts of Ireland, north, south, east, west. I'm from Westmeath, but I've lived and travelled all over and here in London 20 years. I don't hear many of these Hiberno words here, to be honest. So let me know. Grow more.